Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day inspired kind of makeup look. I also showed you how I do my hair pretty much every day. And yeah, I just wanted to have a little play around with makeup again, to be honest. And I came up with this little Valentine's-y, I guess, inspired makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with the hair first because I feel like I'm one of those people who do my hair and then I do my makeup. I know people do it the other way around sometimes, but I do my hair and then I do my makeup. I feel like if you do your makeup first and your hair doesn't look good, it just doesn't set the whole vibe. Whereas if my hair is done and then I do my makeup, then it's like I can see the whole thing coming together. I do get quite a few compliments on my hair. I used to have quite long hair. This is the longest it's been for a while, but I used to have dark hair as well, and I've had it highlighted now a few times. But I prefer it a little bit lighter. I feel like when I was dark, I liked it dark, but now that I've got it lighter, I just now look back and I think it was just too dark. This is what I do to my hair every single day when I'm going out. I use the Mark Hill Pick and Mix wand. I believe this is the medium-sized barrel. I broke it though. It just like the little stand that it comes on is broken. So I have to lean it against things so it doesn't burn. I use this little barrel to curl my hair. And I just think it creates such a nice little kind of wave and bounce to my hair. And the bigger the hair for me, the better. I love my hair. Oh, Oscar agrees. The bigger the hair for me, the better. For me, this works really well. Oscar is here. If we weren't aware, he is here and he is just laying there playing on his little mat thing while I do a video. So I always use this brush. This is, excuse the fact that I've got hair on it. This is the wet brush. I will not use now another brush because I just think, why put myself through pain when this is just the best? I recommend everyone to get a wet brush if you've got thick hair and when you brush it, it just really hurts. This is just amazing. And then I'm gonna just section my hair. I just take a little scrunchie and I section a little bit off like that. So then what I do is I'll just take my little curler, grab a section of hair. I'm looking in the camera thing so I can see what I'm doing because I don't have a mirror. My mirror is there behind me. And then all I do is wrap it around the hair like so. And then I hold it for like, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. I just like to make sure that it's like, I just like to make sure that it's held in place. Then let it go and it just does like a wave like that. And then I just go around my hair basically, doing the exact same thing. Just gives it a really nice like wave and makes it nice and messy. So then I'm going to take my VO5 Invisible Ultimate Hold hairspray. And then we just do it section by section, really. So once all your hair is curled, I basically just go back in with my hairspray, really rough it up. This hairspray is the best. It's like it messy. So yeah. So that is the hair done. So I'm just gonna push my hair out of my face to do the makeup. My skin is feeling really dry, so I'm just going to go in with my normal moisturiser, the Vitamin E by the Body Shop. But I don't know why it's feeling really dry at the moment. Obviously it is winter, so probably why, but I'm just going to be generous with my moisturiser today, because my God, my skin needs it. Ooh. Oscar was here. He's now having a nap because he was being so loud and like telling me he was tired basically. I watched this video on YouTube, and it was an Oprah like show thing, and it was about a woman who can understand babies, like what their cry means. And at first I was just like, this is a load of crap, but genuinely, if you watch it and you're a mum or a new mum, or you know, just wanting to know, basically she can like tell what each cry means. So I can kind of now know when he's tired because of the cry. It has actually helped, because now I kind of know, oh, he might still be hungry, or, you know, it does help. For primer today, I'm just going to use my NYX Honeydew Primer. And I just feel like this is like the coolest way to put on primer, with a spatula. And it's so refreshing as well. So for Valentine's Day, I don't know what me and Tim have got planned, to be honest, but if we're going out, I want to wear something foundation wise that I know is going to last and not going to like, if we kiss and stuff, I don't want it to like move around. So for that reason, I'm going to go for my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade 140. I really like this foundation, even though I am dry. If I'm going to wear it though, I do, like I say, put quite a bit of moisturising primers on, my moisturiser on, just so my dry skin isn't dying. This is honestly probably the best matte foundation that I've ever tried. It just doesn't move, it stays. Just going to pop that on. It's a little bit light for me at the moment. I have actually tanned, but it's fine. I can just like bronze up. No surprise that I'm going to be using my favourite concealer, which is the Benefit one. I don't think I've used... Oh, okay, no, I have used a different one before. Honestly, like, this is just so amazing. It's... When I tried it, I'm obsessed. I was just obsessed. So for my powder today, I'm just going to use the Primark Loose Mineral Powder. I'm still really liking this, and it was only £2. I mean, I guess this is classed as baking. I normally do bronze with my Hoola Light, but because I want to kind of bronze up a little bit more, I'm just going to take my normal Hoola. I can't go wrong with Hoola. It's just my go-to. Now for blush, I am actually going to use California by Benefit. Because we're doing like a Valentine's look, I feel like you can really go quite pink. So I'm just going to use California. I'm going to really kind of put quite a bit of blush on today. And I have been putting blush on my nose. I love it. For highlight, I am just going to take the Cookie Highlighter by Benefit, which I always use because I love it. I actually have one of these brushes now. I know these are like hated on, but I just feel like I can apply my highlight a bit better with it. Are you joking? This highlighter is amazing. Like, stop. It makes me look like I've got a cupid's bow, which I don't. I have the world's worst lips. Let's move on to the eyes. In total honesty, I have no idea what I'm doing with my eyes, but I have a few palettes here. Like, I've got the Angel Heart one that's got quite nice pinky tones. and stuff like that. Like the whole thing is basically like Valentines. I'm going to go into the Angel Heart palette first and take this shade right here. They don't have names, but I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is shade number 5. And just pack that onto my eyelid. I have just popped over a bit of concealer. They are really pigmented, which we love. It's gonna look crazy. And that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you, everyone. Okay, now with a more fluffier brush, I'm actually going to go back into, I'm going to use my Roxy palette, and I'm going to use the shade Peaches, which is this one here, kind of just to diffuse that. Just going to use the same brush I had my highlighter on, and I'm just going to pop a bit of the highlighter in my brow bone to get those two to kind of merge. And I'm going to use shade 7, which is this one here, and I'm just going to pop that on with my finger, give it like a bit of a sheen. It's basically the same colour. This is like optional, I guess, but if you really want to go for it, you can. I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, and I believe this is the red shade. So underneath my eye with the shade number 5 again. So that's basically the eyeshadow done. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I will be back to do mascara and finish it all off. Okay, so I've done my other eye, and I just filled my eyebrows off camera because it's just quicker to do so. I'm going to use Roller Lash today for my mascara. And then last but not least for lips, I'm just going to use my YSL Lip Couture Matte Stain. I think this is shade number 7 now. So everyone, that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to do the hair and the makeup as well, which is something I've wanted to do for a little while, to be honest, because I do enjoy doing my hair. But yeah, I know this look isn't for everybody, and it's more of an out there Valentine's look. If you want me to do a more kind of wearable Valentine's Day look, just let me know. But this, I would wear this, so. And it's always fun to play with a bit of colour as well. If there's anything that you want to see from me in general, just let me know. But I shall see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.